Hello friends, welcome to Ultra. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notifications. Hi friends, this is a 32-inch Sony LCD TV. Here, in this TV, the complaint is double image. See friends, this is the fault. Double image and color changing issue. As we discussed earlier, these types of complaints are mainly due to internal shorting in gate signals inside the glass panel. The shorting may be either from the left side or right side of the glass panel. If both sides of the panel is short, then it is not repairable. So, this is the fault. Here in the display, here you can see 3 vertical lines on the screen. It's because of cough damage. Instead of that, this color changing and picture jumping or doubling issue is because of gate signal shorting in the glass panel. So we can repair it by using a temporary method. It's just only a temporary method. The permanent solution is panel replacement. See friends, now we remove the back cover of the LCD TV. This is the power supply board and this is the motherboard. It's a 32-inch Sony BX300 LCD TV. Here you can see the panel scalar board. So to repair this, we need to remove this frame. See friends, finally we remove the frame from the TV. Here you can see the double image issue on the TV screen. To repair this TV, we need to remove the internal shorting from the gate signals inside the glass panel. The shorting may be either from the left side or right side of the glass panel. If both sides of the panel is short, then it is not repairable. So, to repair this TV, we need to cut down the gate signal tracks either from the left side or the right side. See friends, these are the gate signal tracks from the left side. And these are the gate signal tracks from the right side of the panel. So to repair this TV, here first I am going to cut down the right side gate signal tracks. After cutting down the right side gate signal tracks, if the picture is okay, then do nothing. If the picture is not okay, then we need to rejoin the cutter tracks in the right side. Then we need to, after rejoining the cutter tracks in the right side, then we need to cut down the left side gate signal tracks. Now I will show you the picture contains a detailed marking on the gate signal tracks from the left side and the right side of the glass panel. See friends, these are the gate signal tracks from the left side and these are the gate signal tracks from the right side of the glass panel. So here, to repair this TV, we are going to cut down the right side gate signal tracks. See friends, here we cut down the right side gate signal tracks and here you can see the result. Now the double image complaint is solved successfully. See friends, now there is no double image and color changing issue. You can see a small line on the top of the screen, a small horizontal line. That line will be there. See friends, these are the cut gate signal tracks from the right side of the glass panel. So here the gate signal shorting is with the right side of the glass panel. So now we removed the gate signal shorting from the right side and the TV is working fine. Here you can see the result. Now there is no double image or color changing issue. After cutting the right side gate signal tracks, here we tested the TV for more than 2-3 hours. So now we can put the back cover. Here you can see 3 vertical lines on the display. It's because of cough damage. Otherwise, now the picture is okay. As I said earlier, this is just only a temporary solution. The permanent solution is panel replacement. So now the work is done. Now we can put the back cover back to the TV. Here you can clearly see the cutted gate signal tracks. So that's it. Now the picture is crystal clear. There is no double image and color changing issue. Now we rectified the complaint. See friends, finally here we put the back cover and all screws back to TV. Here you can see a small horizontal line on the top of the screen. Otherwise, now the display is okay. See friends, now the picture is correct. These 3 black dotted lines, vertical lines, are because of cough damage. It can be repaired by changing the cough using bonding machine. Otherwise, now the display is okay. So the TV is repaired successfully. So that's it. See you in another video with another interesting topics. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notifications. Thanks for watching.